All right, we'll leave that in there for half an hour, come back and check it. Oh yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be heading down to one of my local childhood fishing ponds to try to catch some largemouth bass. I finally went back to this pond last year after many years without going to it, and I noticed a lot of the largemouth bass in this pond are in quite poor condition, probably because they've been overpopulated and nobody's actually taken them out of the pond. So today, I have my kayak with me. I have Jasmine with me too. Caught a whole bunch of shiners yesterday to use as bait in a small little watering hole back behind my house. So I have plenty of bait to try to catch some of these fish. I can keep 5, and each one has to be at least 12 inches long legally in this state. My goal is to at least catch 4, if not 5, to remove from this pond. And depending on the conditions of their body, I might fillet them. Whether I fillet them or not, the end goal is to take the fish and put them out in the woods in front of a trail camera to see what comes and eats them. So let me get everything packed up, and I'll see you guys out at the pond. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, well, the minnows that I have today aren't as big as they usually are in years past, but I have a lot of them, so if they die quick, so be it. Ooh, there's a big bass over by that overhanging. Oh, there's a big one right there. All right. Ooh, yeah, something took it. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh no, that came off. Better be on now. I think I got one. Come on, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice one. There we go. Finally got him to actually stay on the line. But yeah, if you guys see what I mean about them being skinny, get them off. Here we go. See? They're really skinny fish. No meat to them whatsoever. So, help out the population a little bit by getting some of them out of here. Here we go. I got him. Yep. Another bass. Yep. Sweet. Come on, stay on. Yeah, another skinny one, just like the last. All right, there you go. A little smaller. Yeah, they're so thin. Got nothing to them. Still flipping. Swallowed it. Sweet. It's number 2. picking up the pace a little bit here. I got him. Oh yeah, I got something. Huh. Oh, baby one. Oops, there he goes. Alright, I'm changing the hook on this thing. This thing is like not holding on to these fish at all. Oh shoot. Got one. Texting my dad, not paying attention. The rod started to move. Another decent one, same size as the rest. Get him. There we go. All right. Again, skinny little fish. That might be the longest one so far today. All right. Anyway. There we go, another bass. This one seems a little bit bigger anyway. Bigger than the last two, weight-wise. All right, it's 3. And keep 2 more. I think I might make it. I might make it to 5. I'm gonna try. Go ahead, Jess. Go up. Go up. That's not something you expect to catch. Yeah. Man, he's a pretty one too. Painted turtle. What's up, buddy? Huh? Oh, you're right. Hey, you want the fish? There you go, bud. Oh, hi, Jazz. Hi, Jazz. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Alright, well, didn't do quite as well as I had hoped, but ended up getting 3 largemouth bass. All pretty skinny, which is exactly what I want to take out of here. I should have had more. I probably should have had my 5. But my cheap $10, there it is, $10 fishing rod from Walmart, it bends too much, so it's really hard to set the hook on these fish. I've never noticed that problem before until today. But a lot of these fish got off that should not have gotten off. But either way, got these 3 bass, caught a yellow perch and a painted turtle as well, which is pretty cool. I pretty much ran out of good sized bait. Everything else that I had left was little tiny minnows, and when I put them on the hook, they kind of just died because they were just so small. So, used up all my live bait, so that's pretty much why I stopped. And there's another big fish right there, but I'll leave them for another day. So, gonna get these fish home. There's not a lot of meat on them, they're really skinny. So I'm just gonna use them as bait for the trail camera. So I'm gonna get home, get that trail camera all set up, head out into the woods, get the bait site set. So see you guys out there then. All right, so this is where I'm gonna be setting up the camera trap. I've got the 3 bass that I caught today, 3 sunfish that I've caught in the past that were supposed to be for a different video, and kind of completely forgot about them. I'm not a huge fan of eating sunfish either. Then I also have an old freezer burnt deer heart, deer or bear, not entirely sure. But just gonna leave it all right here against this tree. Put the trail camera on the tree right here. Leave it for a couple days and hopefully we have something come down here. All right, it's set. Leave it for 3 days or so, 2-3 days. We'll be back here to check it. See you guys then. All right, so it's been 5 days since I put the fish out here in the woods, and it's all gone. Seems like there's only 1 fish head right here. Everything else is gone. So let's check that trail camera, see what we got. So the camera was out there for 5 days, but 3 days in I went down here to check it just to see what was going on. And some of the fish had been moved around and eaten, but nothing was on the trail camera. So I had to change the settings on it. I had it on fast motion, and I guess the slow moving critters like the opossum, skunks or whatever just didn't really set the camera off, so I had to change it to a different setting. And it worked the last couple days. Got a couple raccoons, some little baby opossums, and a coyote showed up quickly at the end there. Didn't really come into the bait though, which is kind of odd. So not quite as much as I was hoping to get a fish or a fox or something on there as well, but can't win them all. So pretty cool nonetheless. Got a couple fish out of the pond, helping the remaining bass have a little bit more food supply, feeding some other local wildlife, and got some trail camera videos in the meantime. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all next time.